Let's begin by creating your new account. Start by entering your first and last name. Next, provide a valid phone number to stay connected. Enter your email address, which will be used for important communications. Now, create a secure password and confirm it to protect your account. Personalize your account by uploading a profile picture. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you're ready, hit the Sign Up button. An OTP will be sent to your mobile and email. Enter it to complete the sign-up process and activate your account. Already have an account? Let's sign you in. Simply enter your registered phone number and password. Click Login and you're all set. Welcome back.
Mie Ride app, your wallet-friendly ride awaits. Download now and start saving.